Okay, good evening, Sir Fahmi. Uh, Today we are about to present our group result of discussion. Today we are bringing up about the topic that we are focusing on the enhancing financial risk analysis with automate retrieval of market sentiment from the news articles. Our group consists of me, myself, Azam Aji Abizar, Putri Kerry, and Yoel Christopher. Okay, we are moving on to the next slide that will be presented by next presenter, Mbak Putri. Mbak Putri.
Okay, thank you, Mas Azam. This is the background. The background of this presentation is in the financial world, timely and data-driven decision making is crucial for managing investment risk. Market sentiment, often reflected in financial news, plays a significant role in shaping investor behavior and market trends. For instance, news about a market crash or inflation spike can trigger fear among investors while positive report on economic recovery can boost market confidence. However, manually reading, analyzing, and interpreting financial news is highly time consuming, especially given the large volume of data and its rapid dissemination. Moreover, manual analysis is prone to subjective bias, as interpretation of sentiment can vary between analysts. Advancements in information technology, particularly in information retrieval and natural language processing, often solution to these challenges. Automation can make the process of retrieving and analyzing news faster, more efficient, and more objective. Next, problem. Financial analysis rely on news to assess market sentiments and its potential. Impact of investment risk, however, manual scanning news to relevant insight is time consuming and prone to bias. Automating the retrieval of sentiment based financial news can streamline the risk assessment process. To sheer volume of financial news is impossible to process manually in the timely manner. Difficulty in identifying articles relevant to specific topics and subject bias. Interpretation of news sentiment vary between individuals. Misinterpretation of the news context can lead to errors. Delayed risk identification. Manual processes are not suitable for early detection of potential risk. Solution. For this problem, automated information retrieval system. This system is designed to automate the retrieval and analysis of financial news based on market sentiment. Its mainly component include profitable analysis, cash flow analysis, solvency analysis, liquid analysis, efficiency analysis, investment analysis, and risk analysis. Next will be continued by Mas Yoel.
Actually, the next will be presented by me, Mbak Putri. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. The next presentation uh, is about the investment analysis. This slide will cover of one example that consists of previous slide that already been presented by Mbak Putri. The previous slide was telling about various type of um, market analysis that which um, financial instrument will cover of various activities such as we are analyzing the cash flow analysis, profitability analysis, efficiency analysis, liquidity, solvency, risk, and investment analysis. And those, one of the way that we are mostly the financial planner or financial analyst do is we are seeking for the sentiment that what currently happened in the market. So due to the scattered information spread, it leads to the limitation of manual process and time and efficiency like this way, like this one. Okay, and the next is we are bringing up the example of investment analysis. For example, we are covering about the example of stock analysis, which inside of the stock analysis like this one is we are taking the example of investment from Bank Negara Indonesia BNI. This we are taking of the example of cash flow that it already been released in the market. This is the cash flow analysis during the 2020 and 2021. The Bank Indonesia, Bank Negara Indonesia book for the profit the profitability like this one, and we are trying then we were trying to make the simultaneous information what happened during the 2020 and 2021 like this one. This is the one of the example that what is the sentiment is affecting towards the cash flow book by the Bank Nasional Indonesia like this one. We are cropping the news from the internet. Pemulihan yang cepat menuntut gelontaran dana yang besar, etc., 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 etc. And also the next example of the information that scattered from the internet, and this is one of the sentiment that was happening during the year 2020 and 2021. Despite of the many factors lead to the analyst interpretation, market sentiment, and information update for the stock market like this one would be so much impactful toward the interpretation consideration. Then the example is we are bringing the example of Bank Negara Indonesia, and also the next one is the risk analysis. The risk analysis. One of the example that financial planner oftenly do is analyzing the risk analysis. As an insurance industry, interpretation of pricing for this slide, we are bringing up the example of the one of private insurance in Jakarta area. Because of this risk analysis often to be analyzed by the insurance company, that we are bringing up the example from the insurance industry. As an insurance industry, interpretation of pricing, in this case premium, and determination of risk acceptance led by things that driven most of them by sentiment or widespread information updates from the news based on certain focus. Like this one, we are bringing up the example from the CFAR, which is the cancel for any reason. So there are a term in insurance industry that we are canceling the travel for any reason, and what impact towards the premium that we are, as an insurance industry, that we are covering, and what aspect that we are deciding the premium like for the next year. Like this one, one of the primary growth drivers in the CFAR travel insurance market is the unpredictable nature of global events, such as a pandemic, natural disaster, and geopolitical tension, and blah 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 blah. So this is the one of the example that what and how the sentiment in the scattered information in the internet, for example, is affecting directly towards the business itself. And the next one is like this one. We are bringing up also the example of the internal update, the internal update, that how the sentiment is affecting towards the business, the company decision. Like this one, this is the reconciliation meeting, if I may to say. This is the reconciliation meeting that covering the example of how the what is the sentiment happens, but what was the sentiment that was affecting towards the business. Like this, as COVID was unfolding, the business was in a crisis situation with resource put in different direction, and also it affecting toward the monitoring. And this actually there are a company decision that we are not to show because it is very credential. And then the next one is affecting towards the pricing control. Pricing control itself affected by the sentiment that was happening because of the COVID. Like this one, slow to recognize accumulation risk and the need for pricing change. For this one is 50% increase during the COVID. Price increase was used as a quick fix to mitigate sales or exposure, blah 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 blah. And this is how the sentiment is affecting toward the business for the next 1 year. This is our group is not covering the whole financial instrument that's supposed to be explained, but the next will be more techniques and will be presented by Pak Yoel. Time is yours.
Next is solution. So the solution from For this problem is will build the IR system that reads 5 financial news article based on user-defined keywords, example market crash or inflation risk, and rank them by sentiment like positive, negative, or neutral. The data collection, the system automatically gather financial news from reliable sources like Bloomberg, Reuters, or CNBC, keyword-based retrieval. User can define specific words such as microcredit, inflation rate, or interest rate hike. And the system filter article based on the keyword to ensure relevance. And then we filter article and analyze using NLP to determine worldwide sentiment occurring intelligently determine any specific data idea of following circumstance positive is news that indicating opportunity of favorable development. Negative, there are news signaling risk of uncertainty. Neutral, that informative news without strong sentiment indicator. And then we ranking and output article and score them best relevant and sentiment. The output is rank list of article from most relevant to less relevant article. And then the benefit of solution, the first is time efficiency. It will speed up the process of retrieving and analysis financial news. Next is scalability, capable handling large volume and news without compromising quality. The third is objectivity. It will reduce subjective bias in sentiment analysis. Next is proactive risk management. It will assist in early detection of investment risk based on market sentiment. Next, our conclusion. The automatic of retrieval of sentiment-based financial news is strategic step toward enhancing financial risk analysis by leveraging IR and NLP technologies. We believe that improvement could overcome the limitation of manual process, improving the efficiency and accuracy in decision making, and provide deeper insight into market trends and potential risks. Any future development may consist within the improvement called adopting more domain-specific NLP model for financial sentiment and also supporting multilingual news analysis. There are fewer possibilities that are a seamless theme to adapt this improvement by integrating with other financial products to create a more comprehensive system. Above solution not only save the time but also enable more data-driven decision making, empowering micro participants to navigate increasingly complex market dynamic. Thank you for your attention. This is our presentation.
Okay, thank you Pak Yoel, Mbak Putri. Perhaps, Sir Fahmi, those information that we could deliver, our topic is about the enhancing financial risk analysis with automated retrieval of market sentiment from news articles. If there is any suggestion or improvement for our topic, kindly wait for your suggestion. Thank you for time. Good evening all.